Well, from one of my previous videos, the trick I got the most comments on was animal impressions, like the horse, the giraffe. Right now I'm gonna teach you another animal imitation. It's called the penguin. Especially if you walk like this. I probably walked out of frame, but I'm now gonna teach you how to do this trick. The weird part is, as you just looked at this trick, you see that you're juggling the cascade. So the throwing is the same, just the catching is very, very strange. So when you throw the ball, you wanna turn your hand outwards just like this. So you can catch a ball like that. It's pretty challenging in the beginning. So I'm gonna take you through this process. We're gonna start with just one ball. So basically what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna learn the 3-ball cascade completely again, but just keeping in mind those really strange catches. So with the 3 balls, you start with this one. Now you're just gonna learn how to catch the ball like that. For me it helps if I move my hand out just a little bit like that. So if I try to catch here, it's more difficult. If I move it here, it's a little bit more natural for me to turn my wrist back. So I'm gonna go. That's how you start. All right, now the next step. You probably already guessed it. We're gonna do the 2-ball exchange. The throws are gonna be the same, but the weird catches, we're gonna add those in. So remember, you're gonna catch this one like that. You're gonna catch that one like that. So you go 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. And the other way around too. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will take you a little bit of time because it's very strange to get used to these kind of catches. So keep on practicing. Once you have it, unpause the video again, and then we're gonna teach you how to do the same trick with 3 balls. Magic. 3 balls, the penguin. We're gonna start with juggling the cascade. You're gonna start with just 1 ball. So you're gonna go, just do 1 ball as penguin catches. All right, once you have mastered that, we're gonna go for 1 hand with the penguin catches. The other hand is just doing its normal job. So we're gonna juggle. 1 hand, penguin catches. 1, 2, boom. The other hand as well. 1. And now, both hands, doing the full penguin trick. And there you have it. Don't do this trick on the North Pole because it's gonna confuse the polar bears. I tried it. You can see it here on my YouTube channel where I do penguins in the area from the polar bears. But right now, you practice it, save the comfort of your own home. No polar bears, no drop balls. Have fun. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.